Hello everyone, welcome back to Momvestor channel. Today I decided to start to do daily market analysis through the YouTube channel. Let's see how long can it last. All right, so without further ado, let us start with this particular counter, INTC, Intel Corp. So here I would like to plot out a weekly chart. As you can see, the weekly chart, the price has dropped to a certain support level. I have draft out a support level here. So it actually started to bounce off from the support of $43.31 based on my support line here. So for this particular counter, INTC, what I would do is tonight when the market open, I would see whether is there a chance for me to do a sell put. So I will jot down here in my note that I'm going to do a sell put here. So let me just note it down here. So over here, so whenever it drops at the support line, it actually bounces back up. It actually bounces back up. So I would say if we are able to sell put at, if we are able to sell put at $40, 40 put, I would think it's quite safe. So tonight I will look for opportunity to sell put. I don't think it will drop below 40. So I think sell 40 put is quite safe over here. So I will look for opportunity to do a sell put tonight if there is an opportunity. Okay. So that's what I will do for this particular counter, INTC. I will note down here. I think for this, I will do a monthly sell put at 40. All right. So what's next? Let's see what I can do. Maybe we can try to plot out a daily chart to see how it goes, how it looks. So basically the daily chart bounced off nicely. Can you see? Bounced off nicely. Close at, it actually closes at $45. So it bounces off very beautifully. So I think this one is a is a good counter to do a sell put. Okay, let me just look at the S&P. SPX. I think for SPX daily chart, I think it has a very beautiful support here. So generally, to me, I think it is still a bullish. It looks very bullish, and it looks like it's going to bounce off. Right, so everything now is at a consolidation level. It is now at a consolidation stage here. So we will have to monitor if the candlesticks bounce off. If let's say it bounces off, if it bounces off, then I think it is very bullish already, right? Then this upper line will become the new support level. Right now, the support level is here. Let's say I actually have made an entry on wicks to bet that it will comes down, to bet that it will move down. So once I make profit from my wicks, then I will straight away close. All right, it's not a long-term trade. So I have buy call on wicks. So whenever wicks goes up, basically SPX index will comes down. So as long as my wicks goes up, I will straight away close the position. It's a very short-term call. It's a call expires in February. So I will see how it goes. So it may move two ways. It may goes down, or it may bounce off from here. The candle looks very bullish, so it may goes up here, and this serve as a new support line. All right, we shall see how it goes. Well, S&P index generally is bullish. How about QQQ? QQQ is representing the Nasdaq. So QQQ basically is at a very beautiful resistance. All right, this is the resistance, as you can see. Here is the resistance level. So it either move down. Here is also beautiful support level. Very nice support level. It either continue to consolidate, move downwards here, or it will goes up. Generally, when S&P goes up, then QQQ will also follow. So if let's say the S&P index, the Dow Jones index continue to go up, break the resistance level, then usually TQQQ will also follow to goes up. I mean Nasdaq will also follow the momentum to go up. If let's say the S&P or the Dow Jones index move down, then Nasdaq will also follow with the same trend to move down. So everything right now is basically right now all the index are at the resistance level. See whether it will break the resistance or come back down. We will see how it closes off this week. Right? Let's see how it closes off this week. Okay. And now, generally, the overall market is like that. All right. So, what is in my watch list is the first watch list is Intel. I will consider a sell put. Very nice bounces off back from the support level. Right now, I will do a screener. I'm going to do this screener today. All All right, so what's in my screener? Let's see, is there any opportunities or anything that I can enter tonight? So let's take a look at the Li Auto 7 arrows, no. Plug power 9 arrows. Usually I would just look at the signal on the green highlights here. If there's nothing from the green highlights, then I won't have any position. So for this, there are 7 arrows. For these 9 arrows, I'm not going to consider to enter. So what I will consider, oh, Moderna. Let's take a look at Moderna. Very beautiful uptrend, and the first arrow is here. Now there's no arrow, no signal. PDD is also is also a nice stock to play with. Okay, Lyft. Let's look at Lyft. Is second arrow today. Let's take a look. Okay, let's look at the general trend. The general trend is a downward trend. When it's a downward trend, but there is a bullish arrow, I wouldn't want to enter because the trend is not an upward trend. I'm looking for a trend, a very nice bullish trend to enter. So this is not something that I want to consider. Enphase Energy, ENPH. Let's take a look. Oh, it's already 8th arrow, so most likely there's no chance to go in. Most likely there isn't any good chance. Let's take a look. This is the first arrow, second arrow, and this is the third arrow. This is already the fourth. Usually I wouldn't enter after the third arrow, so this one is a bullish momentum, but I wouldn't want to enter at the fourth arrow. Okay, so this one, no chance. This one is also my favorite counter, Ulta Beauty. If you look at the general trend, it's always an upward, go down, upward, go down. Wow, very likely it will go up. If general S&P index move up, I think this stock has a good chance to travel up, right? Let's see. But for the past few months, from April till now, everything is at a consolidation manner. But if you just look at 6 months, it already break out from 6 months high. I love to trade stocks that break out from 6 months high. So let's see, from the red bar, here is the first arrow. Here is the second arrow. So now there is no second arrow, but looks like there is a good chance to enter here at 279. The highest price of here is 278.825. So 78.88. So if there is any chance that today, if it dropped to 278.88, I will consider to enter. The reason to enter is because there is second arrow with teeth. Second arrow with teeth for Ulta Beauty. Okay, so I will enter at 278.8. So I will want to queue to order. All right, I want to queue to order at $278.88. If the order gets through, then I will let it run. If the order doesn't get through, then I'll it's a daily order. It's not a good till fill. It's not a GTC order. It's a daily order. So if let's say today I can't get the order at 278.88, I will try to see is there any chance for me to get in tomorrow. So everything that I mentioned now is meant for today's trade. Okay, so for this I will queue for 278.88 tonight. Okay, tonight. If tonight it doesn't get through, then I will queue again tomorrow at a new price. All right, so this one is for tonight for Alta. Good. Let's look for another thing. Any more? Any more? Okay, this one. What? New cop. Generally is uptrend. Wow, and I think it breaks 6-month high. Very nice trend. This is first arrow with teeth. This is second arrow with teeth. NWSE. Second arrow with teeth. It looks cool. It looks good. At least there's a second arrow with teeth. NWSE. So what's the highest? Enter because of second arrow with teeth. And this one, the highest closing price was $18. So $18. So 18. So I will queue at $18. If gets done, then it's done. If it's not, then cancel the order today. NWSA. I would like to check what is NWSA. Let's take a look. NWSA. What is this about? What is this company doing? Let's check it out. So it's a company that has presence in US and UK, Australia. Key brands include Wall Street Journal, Harrison. Oh, okay. It's a media company. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. I think the business fundamentally is okay. It's okay. So just follow the system, all right? Let's see how it goes here. Next. I am going to look at NYSE stocks, see is there any stocks that I can enter. New is already 24 candles, so cannot enter. This one, Farfetch, 7th candle, already went in, so nothing. Oh, this one is second candle. Let's take a look. VLO. The trend is is at a bearish trend. It's a bearish trend, so I'm not going to enter. General trend is bearish, right? So I'm not going to enter. Let's take a look at two more here. Third arrow, Philip. Generally, I don't like this stock because it's at a consolidation level. It's keep on bearish, then bullish a little bit, then bearish, then bullish. It's not a nice trend, so I'm not going to enter. Philip 66. Look at the trend also. I don't really like this trend. It may go up, but it will come down eventually. So no, I'm not going to enter. Okay, after that, let's take a look at SP 500 stocks. Is there anything that we can take a look? There are so many. How about Walt Disney? So Walt Disney basically recently break new highs, break the 6 months high. So first arrow here, second arrow here, third arrow, second arrow with teeth. Generally, the trend is uptrend, then COVID downtrend, then uptrend again. So generally, can enter. This stock can enter. And I don't mind to hold this stock permanently actually. So I don't mind to enter here. Disney. Valid entries because it's second arrow with teeth. So the highest price is 147.75. 147.75. I want to add another 0.02%. So I will enter at 147.78. Okay, daily order. It's not a GTC order. If today cannot get through, then I will go in again tomorrow at a new price. Okay, this one I want to hold long term. Okay, Visa. Let's take a look at Visa, my favorite counter. Visa generally, if you hold Visa for a very long term, it's generally a very good trade. Hold it weekly. See, very beautiful trend. In fact, if you know if you go in here, you are now profiting already. Yeah, so generally I like Visa. I don't mind to hold it as a weekly trade. First arrow. Oh, there's no valid entry. There's no valid entry, it's just the first arrow. Okay, but if you are following the first arrow, I think it's a good time to enter. If you follow the first arrow, I think you actually enter at a lower price, which is very good. So Visa, I will consider to make this entry, to do this entry. So if it breaks 209, I will queue at 209.04. Okay, first arrow with teeth, the valid entry. Let's look at the weekly again. The weekly is also very beautiful. All right, it hasn't break below this support. It's generally a good trend. It's very, very nice trend. This counter is very, very nice. Fundamentally, who doesn't use Visa? The whole world is using Visa. So fundamental business model is very good. So I don't mind to hold it for the longest period of time. Okay, it's very good entry. PayPal, there's a first valid arrow here. PayPal also generally good trend, nice trend. So first arrow, but there is no teeth, so there is no valid entry for this. Okay, MasterCard and Visa is the same, but usually I will choose Visa. Whenever master uptrend, Visa uptrend. Whenever master downtrend, Visa downtrend. Generally, they have the same trend. Okay, so but I would prefer Visa. They have higher market share than Mastercard. So invest in something that is stronger. All right. Anything else? Let's go to the juicy list. What is this RH? Very nice trending up. Very nice trending up. First arrow is here. Second arrow. If you don't mind to go in at a higher price, then I think it's a good trade. This is what RH. Let's take a look at RH. Housing demand. Well, furniture and home furnishing industry. $400. Are you kidding me? It's just the furniture industry. It worth $400. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't know. Should I enter? RH. Is it a good one to enter? Okay, the high is 446.5. Enter at 0.02% higher. So the entry price will be 446.59. Due to second arrow with teeth. So basically today what I run through is if you like the particular counter, if you like the particular stock, you can enter because there is signal there, but maybe you can choose one or two stocks to enter, maybe not all, unless you have a very good capital management, you have a lot of capital where you don't know where to invest, then maybe you can try to enter everything. But for me, I will just choose my two favorite counter to do the entry, two or three favorite counter to do the entry. And if it doesn't go through, then tomorrow I will readjust the entry price again. Top build. Second arrow, first arrow. Wow, I love to see first arrow, but first arrow do not have teeth. So if you are very bullish, then okay. Generally, the trend is very beautifully go up. Very nice trend. Very nice trend. It looks like the downwards trend is over. Okay, very nice trend. 6 months haven't break 6 months high. It has not break 6 month high. So there is no teeth here. Usually I like to enter when there is an arrow here together with teeth here, together with trend impulse factor. So here there is arrow here, but the trend impulse factor have not factored in. So maybe I'll just wait, and it has not break 6 month high. If it breaks 6 month high, it's a very beautiful entry. It has not break. Okay, the 6 month high is here. Look back at the 6 month high is here, 191.6. Here it is still closing at 189. Monitor is a good one to monitor. BLD, monitor to see whether it breaks 6-month high. If it breaks, then next day can enter already. Very beautiful trend. Okay, if it break 191.6, if it break 191.6, good chance to enter. Not tonight. All right, not tonight, but continue to monitor. BLD. Okay. Anything else? I think the rest I'm not going through because usually I like to go for the stocks that is on the top 20. I would like to go for stocks at the top 20. So the rest I may not want to go through. This one 6 already. This one Taylor Morrison. Let's take a look. This trend not very beautiful because over the past years, the price has been like that. You see, over the past year, come down, go up, then come down, go up. It's not a nice, not a beautiful trend. So pass. This one four arrow already, also pass. Let's take a look. First arrow with teeth. Second. This is third arrow with teeth. Just break. It's also very beautiful. Just break 6 months. It's already broke 6 months, but it's trending up. Very nice trend. Very, very beautiful trend. I like this. Very nice. First arrow, second arrow with teeth. Wow, this is very nice. BMCH. I want to put a star here, means I'm going to enter. This one is a long-term. BMCH, very beautiful trend. Let's take a look. This one, high is 48.56. 48.56 plus 0.02%. 48.57 valid entry. 48.57 entry for today. If today cannot get through, then we have to revisit the price again tomorrow. Second arrow with teeth. Very beautiful trend. I like this so much. First arrow, second arrow. Oh, sorry, it's actually not the second arrow. First arrow, second arrow with teeth, third arrow with teeth, and it's gonna chung above this arrow, this new high. It looks like it's going up for a brand new high. So if it breaks above the brand new high, which means it will get triggered tonight, then we just ride with the trend. It's a third arrow with teeth. Sorry. Okay, is there anything else? KB Home. No signal yet, and it is not breaking 6-month high, and no signal here. Only have signal here, no signal at the teeth. So nothing. Okay, just look at the top 20. I think is more than enough because we don't want to have too much position on hand also, right? Very headache. Okay, so that's all for today. That's all. I'm going to set the entry price on this, and then later on I will jot down I will upload a spreadsheet onto it on what is the price that I'm going to enter. If you like it, click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and then we shall see you every day on the daily market analysis. All right. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.